What up, guys? Check out the next video. You are going to see a mix of all kinds of stuff that probably happens to all of you. Part of me getting back at it and getting out making some sales is to go through what a lot of you think we don't go through. I had someone message me on Instagram today and he goes, "What leads are you running?" And I responded and said, "All the leads that all of you agents tell me suck." So you're going to see a smorgasbord of stuff. You're going to see me get hung up on. You're going to certainly see people say crazy things about leads. They didn't know what it was, thought it was free, all the things. But through it, you'll see how I handle different situations. You'll definitely see a couple sales. You'll certainly see me overcome objections, different things I use to move clients along. I always say it's an easy game if you play it right. And I'm just going to show you how to do it. If you want to see more, certainly again, watch the video, take from it what you want. But if you want to see it live, come in Discord. I'm in there most days. I'm not selling every day, but I'm in Discord most days. I do sell in there. Every time I'm selling, I'm live. So if you want to watch more, go to johnwetmore.com/Discord. Leave any comments, feedback on the video. Would love it. And if I can do anything to help you guys, y'all know where to find me. Enjoy.
Please leave your message.
Hey, John. Hey, what's up, man? This is John. Also getting back to you over at the insurance office for truckers that you had to send in a request for. Yeah, I wasn't calling for that. I was just calling to schedule a 10-minute time block, either after 5 tonight or tomorrow before 2 p.m. Eastern. I want to see when you had about 10 minutes.
5.
In the morning or evening?
No, evening.
Evening. Okay. You want to do tomorrow, say at like 1 o'clock?
That's for the insurance?
Yep.
For trucker insurance?
Yep. The life insurance for truckers.
Okay, is that like term life?
I'm a broker. I do all types of stuff. That's why I take like 10 minutes, go over what you might be eligible for, what you might be interested in, and get you all the info on it.
Yeah, we can do that at 1 tomorrow.
Okay. 1 o'clock Eastern, got you down. I'll call you on this number. Will be good.
Right.
All right, cool. Got you down tomorrow. I'll talk to you then. All right. I did fucking on my CRM. Let's see. How many calls? 146 calls, 0 conversations. I've been on my cell phone for 6 minutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 calls, 3 conversations. And 2 appointments, to be clear. Just dumb.
I'm sorry, the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been.
Hey, Paul.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, bud? This is John getting back to you over at the vet's final expense office. How are you?
Please don't call me again.
This is about the insurance you requested.
Please leave your message for 7.
Hi, you calling in about life insurance? Okay. Master name? Laura Turner. How old are you, Miss Laura? 71. All right. Do you have any insurance now? Any life insurance? Okay, this is for life insurance. Okay. You have no life insurance now? Uh-oh. Okay. Is it due to your health or just you've been putting it off? Just been putting it off. Okay. Cool. You're just trying to get some burial coverage, I assume? Not looking for $1 million or anything? Just burial. Okay. Cool. Are you a smoker or no? Okay. Any major health issues? Cancers, heart attacks, strokes? Vasculitis? Okay. Anything else? Okay. Easy enough. All right. And just for discounts, do you bank with a local traditional bank or an online bank? Oh, yeah. Okay. Easy enough. Makes sense. I got it. And you said looking for some burial. Who in your family would be the beneficiary of this policy? Okay. And who is that to you? Okay. All right. And Miss Laura, do you have the same last name or different? What's your last name? Okay, cool. What's yours? Turner. Laura Turner. All right. Sounds good. All right. And have you had anything recently happen that has you looking like health issue or someone in the family pass? I'm trying to figure out if you understand the pricing of funerals, etc. Okay. All right. Do you have a rough idea what one might run based on what you're looking for? Or do you want to run through some options? Do you know if you're looking to be like cremated or buried? Cremated. Okay. All right. Cremated. Do you have any idea what that costs? Okay. Have you ever had to bury someone in the family or been involved in funerals? And lucky you haven't had to. No. Okay. Cool. Have you had life insurance in the past, or you've just never had any? Never. Okay. Very good. All right. So what I hear, Ms. Laura, I guess we'll go through some options for you. I'll explain the process to you. It's relatively simple. My job is to make sure that I can look around at the most popular companies in the country. We're a broker, so I kind of shop around, find you the best deal based on your health and your budget, and I help you get some insurance put in place. With that said, one of the main things we look at is certainly your health. You said you had the vasculitis. Do you take prescriptions for anything else? Any other prescriptions? Prescriptions for what? What was the prescription for? GERD. Okay. Anything else? Just one, you just take one pill a day? Okay, cool. So acid reflux. Do you take a pill for the vasculitis or no? You don't. Okay. When were you diagnosed with that thing? Okay. Easy enough. All right. So otherwise, it sounds like you're pretty healthy. Nothing major. All right. Now let me go in here. Let me put your info in the system here, and I will get you some options and see what we can do for you. Okay. Let's see. Does your daughter Jackie live near you? Is she local? Is your daughter, does she live near you? Are y'all close to each other? Yeah. Okay. Cool. I'll get you some options. So what I'm going to do is plug in your information here into the computer, and I'll give you a few options and let you kind of pick from there. Okay. Give me just a moment. Let me type in some stuff. Let's see. Integrity Connect. New quote. How tall are you, Miss Laura? What's your height? How tall are you? 5'4", and rough idea of your current weight. 200. And you said non-smoker, right? Got it. And I got your 71. Can you give me your date of birth? Let's see. All right. So I'm going to explain kind of the process of these programs, and then I'm going to give you. Are you driving, or are you somewhere you have a pen and paper handy? Say again. Okay. Are you driving? Oh, I was going to say you're pretty talented. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. All right. I'm going to explain the way these programs work for you first. And then I'll show you a couple options. So the next step is for me to give you some options. You pick one, and then I go in the computer and we go through the process to see if I can get you approved. All of these plans, you may see some stuff on TV or the internet. All these plans here, whatever coverage amount you pick, and whatever the cost is monthly, those two things will never change on you as you get older or if you have health issues in the future. Does that make sense? So everything you pick stays the same. Nothing will change on you. Okay. The insurance itself will be good for the rest of your life. It doesn't expire on you and it doesn't go away. And the goal will be to have no waiting period either. So we're going to apply for coverage to make sure you have coverage day one immediately instead of having to wait 2 years, like many of the plans on TV. These plans do also build cash value along the way. So in 5 or 10 years, if you, for some reason, need to borrow some money against it, you can. And then the last major benefit, if you become either terminally ill or critically ill, you have a heart attack, or they tell you got 6 months left to live, you can actually get the benefit, the cash out of the policy while you're still living. So you can take care of your final expenses whichever way you see fit. Does that make sense? At all? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Which part? Sure. You at this 3871 number? You got 3871 is your number, right? 406. All right. Why don't we do this? Why don't we schedule a time? I have either, are you on Mountain Time? I have either after 4 p.m. today, or I could do before 4 p.m. tomorrow. So either evening to, you're on what, Pacific? Okay. Yep, that's fine. Do you prefer something later today or something early tomorrow? Early tomorrow. All right. How about we do, are you up early or do you sleep in? After 10. All right. 12, 1. I can do 1 p.m. your time tomorrow. Will that work for you? All right, Miss Laura. I'll call you about 1 p.m. your time tomorrow, and we'll finish up the rest of the stuff for you, okay? All right. Talk to you then. See ya. Somehow I confused her.
I'm sorry, the person you are trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Please try your call again later. Goodbye.
Hello?
Hey, Bob. What's up, man? It's John over at the insurance. How are you?
I don't know, man. How you doing?
I could not be any better, brother. Now, bad time, or you still got a couple minutes?
Can you call me back in about 5 minutes? I'm almost home. I'm not quite home yet.
Yeah, yeah. Let me do that. I'll give you a call in 5 or 10 minutes, okay?
All right, bro. Thank you.
Hi, buddy. See you.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail.
Hey, Harvey.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, man? This is John getting back to you over at the vet's final expense office. How are you today?
Doing pretty good.
Good. I was actually getting back to you. You had requested some info on the burial coverage and listed that you were down previously in the Navy. Is that correct?
Think so.
Okay.
You wouldn't happen to talk to my wife about that.
I have not. There's a note here to try her, but we ain't been able to get a hold of her yet.
She's doing most of that for me.
Is she? Okay. Well, what we're trying to do is just schedule a time to connect with you guys for about 10 minutes to see what you're eligible for. When's a good time you guys are normally home together? In the mornings or afternoons, typically?
It's about. Well, my wife says so we already have that covered. Thank you.
Oh, shit. I was supposed to call that guy back. I'm such an idiot. Dumbass. I'm not gonna free. Fuck.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, Bob?
Hey,
You make it home, bro?
I'm at home.
I love it. I love it. Cool. All right. So looks like you're trying to get a little bit more info on maybe finding some burial insurance. Said looks like you're trying to get some burial insurance.
Yeah, I'd talk about it here again, I guess.
It's exciting topic, ain't it?
Yeah,
Do you have it?
kind of talk slow. I'm hard of hearing on this here phone, okay?
No worries.
And
Do you have any insurance now, Bob?
do you have any questions?
Any insurance? Life insurance?
Life insurance, no.
You have none.
I do. I got survivor benefit plan when I retired from the Army.
Okay.
Whatever that is.
Got it.
I can't even remember what it is.
Yep.
But it's not much if they don't give you much. But I think that's all I got. That's that I know of.
Okay. Got it. And are you are you looking to be buried or cremated?
I think so far I'm gonna be buried. I want a military funeral.
Makes sense. Okay. You have any idea the cost of those,
The cost?
of a funeral?
I have no idea what it costs. Probably, if I gotta buy my own, that's what I'm saying. That when I went in service, I was told that they would buy a casket if I was, when I got buried.
Yeah, there are some.
The only thing they wouldn't buy would be the vault.
Yep.
And then they give you, nowhere from what I found out, they don't give a casket no more. I don't know if that's true or not.
No, I've heard they don't cover a ton anymore. You get a few things covered for sure, but most of it not. Most of the vets I talk to tend to get insurance somewhere 10 to 20 grand just to make sure they got enough to leave for their family and any expenses.
Yeah.
Are you married or are you by yourself?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm married.
Okay. What's your wife's name?
Bonnie.
Bonnie. I assume she would be your beneficiary.
She what?
Your beneficiary?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. Now, does Bonnie have insurance?
No.
Uh-oh. Are you trying to find insurance for her as well?
Well, I was just trying to get enough so she could not have to borrow money to bury my butt. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. What if she dies? Are you trying to make sure you don't have to pay?
Oh, if she was to die?
Yes, sir.
I haven't planned on that. I just always assumed that'd be going. But if she's younger than me, she's about 4 years, at least 4 years younger than me, I know.
Yeah. Life is crazy. You never know.
Well, no, I don't know anything that happens to people all the time.
It does. We'll handle yours first. Tell me your date of birth.
Mm-hmm.
What's your address? That's a house, right?
Huh?
You're in a home, not an apartment. It's a home.
Yeah, I live in a home.
Yeah, make sure. Okay, cool. Now, are you a smoker or no?
No, no smoke.
Non-smoker. Okay. Tell me a little bit about your health. Do you take prescriptions for anything?
Take what?
Medication, prescriptions.
Yes, it takes, some prescriptions.
What do you take them for?
I've got, arthritis pretty bad. I'm still walking and talking and all that good stuff. Overall, I think I'm in pretty good health to be at my age. Better than most of them I see running around here. I have arthritis problems every now and then, and a few back problems, that kind of stuff.
Yeah. What are you, 78?
Surgery years ago, but I've not had any problems with it since.
Okay. What did they do? What was the surgery?
I had 4 bypasses.
Got it.
I had blockage. Okay. No stents. I had no stents or nothing.
Okay. What year was that? Do you remember what year?
Way back there in 09, I think it was.
Oh, wow. Okay. Got it. Okay. Any cancer ever?
No cancer, except I got a few skin cancers, that kind of stuff,
Sure.
Light skin cancer.
Okay. All right. Any kidney issues or diabetes?
I have diabetes. It's light kind, whatever.
Yeah.
I'm taking no shots for it.
Just
nothing like that. Yeah.
Metformin.
Just watching what I eat and that kind of stuff. So.
Okay. All right. Sounds like you're pretty healthy overall.
Yeah, I may be taking a pill for it. I don't know. My wife's not here, so I don't know.
Yeah.
She's my nurse. So.
That makes sense. All right.
She takes care of the medicine part.
Do we need Bonnie who takes care of stuff like this? The insurance and money? Does she do that? Or you handle all this stuff? I just don't want to offend her if she should be involved, or what do you think?
No, she don't want.
She don't care? Cool.
Yeah.
As long as you handle it.
I'm basically doing this. I wanted to do this for her so she wouldn't have to mess with it.
Yeah, that's good. I love it. All right. So what I'm going to do now here, Bob, is I'm going to pull up your contact info, and I'm going to start to plug away at getting you some options. Nothing else health wise, because I'm about to the process next is really simple. I'm going to in a few minutes I'll get your social, and what that'll do is let us pull your prescription history and see if I can't get you approved for something. But I type all your stuff in the computer, and like everything else now, electronically, it will find all your information and let me know if I can get you approved for a policy. It'll take us about 5 or 10 minutes, okay?
Okay. So you can't give me no cost or nothing, right?
That's
You're just looking. Okay.
No, I'm about to get you a cost here in a minute. I'll have the cost and whether or not you'll qualify. So we'll go through pricing in just about 2-3 minutes, okay?
All right, brother.
Tell me I'm gonna hang on the phone with me. No, you stay here with me, Bob. Yep, hang tight with me. Hang tight with me.
Let's see.
6. I'm just gonna plug in some of your info. Give me 1 minute. How tall are you, Bob? What's your height?
5'9",
Okay, what's your weight?
175.
Perfect. 75. What up, y'all? So YouTube memberships, we have one now. Right next to the subscribe button, there's a neon white join button. You can't miss it. Subscribe, whatever it says, click the link, get in there. I do a ton of coaching, teaching people how to dial, corrections, working on their presentations, working on their mindset. I will coach on theory, but I like coaching real world stuff. And if you join the membership section, you're gonna see live coaching where I'm not only helping people, but every once in a while I get in there and dial myself. There's some cool videos coming out, tons of content. All of the training videos will be directly on my YouTube channel. That's available to members only. Super easy to find. So join now if you're interested. Click below. See you in there. 9. All right. And do you bank at like a traditional bank, like a local bank or credit union, or one of those online ones?
It's just a local bank.
Local. Okay. There's different plans and discounts available if you work with some local banks.
Any different plans?
Yeah. Depending on where you bank, they give you some better pricing. If you work with a local bank, it's better. So
yeah, I just go with a local. That's what I do.
okay,
Fine.
cool. Do you have a pen and paper handy by chance? You do? All right. I'm going to give you some info. I'm going to have you write down in just a minute. Okay. Let me know when you're ready.
Good.
I'm going to have you write down. I'm going to give you a few different options. I'm going to have you write down 10,000, 15, and 20. 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. Put those 3 options down.
25.
10, 15, and 20.
15 and 25.
10, 15, 20.
Oh, 20. Okay.
Unless you decide you want 25, brother, you'll let me know later, though. I don't need to know that. The computer's going to give me 3 options to start with, and then you're going to tell me which one of these makes the most sense for your budget and which one you would like to apply for, or if you just want to see some different plans, maybe more, maybe less. The way I'm going to explain how the plans work first, Bob, for you, because they're pretty simple, but I like to make sure everybody understands. Whatever plan you do pick today, it will stay in place until the day you die. It won't run out on you. It won't change in price. The coverage won't change. The coverage won't go away. And your coverage will be in effect immediately on day one. There's no waiting periods or anything. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Yeah, they call it whole life, meaning it will last your whole life. Okay.
They call it the name of his whole life?
Whole life. Yep. Because it lasts for your whole life. Yep. You can't lose. They build cash value along the way. So it'll earn some interest as you age. You know, you're up there, so there's only so much you're going to get, but you will get some. And then one last feature that's pretty cool is that if you become really sick, like you get bad cancer or become terminal, you can actually take out the death benefit while you're still living to take care of stuff while you're alive. So they give you the benefit before you pass if it's like terminally ill or critically ill. Does that make sense? Cool. All right. So I'm going to give you a couple different options. The first one, we're going to start with the 20,000. And again, if you pass away, if we get you approved for this plan and you were to pass away next week, Bonnie will get 20 grand. For this plan, it's $236 a month. Yeah, that's not the one. If you want 15,000, it's 177 a month. And 10,000 is 119. And I can go up to 30 or down to 5. So you tell me price wise if any of those make sense or you want to see something else.
Well, you don't have nothing no cheaper.
I got a lower coverage amount.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's going to take at least that much to.
Yeah, I'll give you one. The client before you purchased 7,500, so I'm going to give you that price as well. Let's see if that sits any better for you. Hold on one sec. Let's plug this one in. The 7,500 is 90 bucks.
Yeah, the price is right, but the coverage.
You want one or the other. You leave her enough money or you know.
I know.
It's pick your poison. You're either going to pay a little bit monthly now or she's going to pay a bunch more later. So it's just which one is easier on the pocket. You didn't seem to like the 20,000. That seemed too expensive, so I'll cross that one out. Out of the last three, which one of those would make the most sense that stays in your budget? If something goes on in a couple months, you wouldn't have to cancel.
The 20, but I mean, they would think I'd take care of everything, but I don't know if I want to afford that much or not.
Okay. What do you think about starting with the 15, pay it for a few months, and if you're comfortable with it, you can call back an increase to the 20.
Mm.
You can start with 10 or 15, and either way, you can call back and increase it as long as your health doesn't change. So if you pick, say, 10,000 and then you have a heart attack in a month, I won't be able to add to the 20. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Does this last the rest of my life? You said
it does. Yep. So whatever you pick today, you'll have guaranteed forever.
So it's not a set policy like if I outlived it 10 years or whatever.
No.
You don't get, because I've seen one where you get it back. You can get it back if you're still alive, if you beat the.
They do those stop at about age 50. They don't do those past 50. And then the other thing you see on TV is you pay it for 10 years and then it goes away. This does not happen here. This is going to be a permanent plan, so you won't have to do this again.
And a lot of them do that 2-year waiting period and all that crap.
Yep. And that's what we'll know here in about, as soon as you pick a plan, the next step is to make sure I can get you coverage day one, which it sounds like you can, but the computer will confirm. So what do you think? 10 or 15,000? Which one is most comfortable? Make sure you pick comfortable.
Well,
why don't we do this, Bob, while you're thinking? Let me go because I don't need the answer now. You obviously want one of them. Let me do this. I can plug in the rest of the information to make sure that we can get you qualified and get you an approval. And then once I have your approval, you can pick the dollar amount. Does that work?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let me get the rest of your stuff here. Are you pretty good with text? Can you receive a text message, or you're not so good with them?
That old flip phone, it's kind of hard for me to text, but I can read text.
You can? Yeah, I just need you to read one in a minute. Cool. That'll work. I don't need it just yet. Give me just a few. It's going to send you a code in a little while, so I just need the code off your phone in a minute. That way I can verify your identity. Right. Tell me, Bob, your social so I can pull your medical history, please.
On social?
Yep. Perfect. What state were you born in? We just finished filling in your health stuff here. We said the last 5 years. All right, last 5 years. Let's see. You've had no cancer. You had diabetes for sure. No Alzheimer's, no strokes, no Parkinson's or liver disease, correct?
No.
You said no kidney disease anywhere. see.
I've got rheumatoid arthritis and diabetes.
Yep. I got the arthritis. I got the diabetes. That's good. Let's see. In the last 12 months, you've not had to use oxygen to breathe or home health care, wheelchair, and all that stuff, right?
No, I've got home health care coming out now, but it's for my foot. I had my toe operated on.
Oh, no. What happened?
And it was due to the diabetes, I guess. I had an ulcer on my toe.
Oh, an ulcer. Got it.
And
okay.
They took care of that. So
okay.
They're just coming out to. They just had the stitches took out, and they're coming out to treat. 3 or 4 weeks to treat the wound, and that's all.
Easy. Yeah, nothing major.
I'm walking better than I ever was for
walking. That's good. Yeah. All right. I'm about
healing up good.
All right. Good. All right. I just sent this. The system just sent you a text message, Bob. See if you can read it. It's going to be a little lengthy. There's some information about applying for insurance. This is going to validate your identity so I can pull your records. There's going to be a link in there that you don't have to click on if you don't want to. And just below all the message, there's going to be a 6-digit code in there. I just need you to give me the code to verify you.
You want me to do it now?
Yeah, see if you can look at your text at the same time and pull out that. It's a 6-digit code.
I'll try.
Yep, try your best. I got another option if it don't work, but try your best.
You still there?
Yep.
I can't even get to the message. This me talking.
Is not.
I'd have to end the conversation to look at it, I reckon.
Okay. You have hang up, write down the 6 numbers, and then I'll call you right back, okay? All right, thanks. Perfect. That worked. Give me just a minute. It'll pull up here in just a sec. Let's see. Diabetes. Do you remember when you were diagnosed with the diabetes, roughly? What year?
It's been a long time ago.
You had to guess.
I think it was, I don't know.
You think 5 years, 10 years, 20 years?
It's been
more than 10?
10 or 15, maybe even 20 years ago.
Perfect. Good enough for me. As long as it's more than 2 years ago, they're good. Let's see. Complications, no. Confirm. You said you have no current life insurance. Beneficiary is going to be your wife. This part's just me doing my side, okay? Hang tight with me just for a couple minutes.
Okay.
What can I get you? Sec. Let me just pull up a couple more options. I'm going to look if I can get you something just a little different. Give it 1 minute. Level, mail. Cool. I got you here, Bob. All right, you're going to be around in just a few minutes. The rest of this part is just for me to finish up. Let me finish this piece up so you don't have to sit here bored. It'll take me maybe 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'll call you back with an approval, and we'll pick pricing. Okay?
Okay. Can I ask you a couple questions?
Yeah. Ask me anything you want. What you got?
I've seen also commercials here lately. This is since I talked to you the first time.
Yeah.
Where you can get. It's all I know is it's for the military people only. It's way top. Okay. But it's 2025. They passed some new laws, things in effect for the military. And one I've seen like 200,000, 500,000, up to $1 million
for 4 cents.
But who in the hell would want to do that? I don't understand who would, pardon my language.
Yeah.
It's stupid. But anyways, but also I've seen one that said that Social Security and the VA has gotten together and did a package for your casket and vault and the funeral itself would all be paid for in this package. So that's recent this year as far as I know. I don't know what that is, what it's.
Yeah.
You-
So
Have you heard of that?
yeah, it's an ad. It's basically an ad saying if you buy if you there are ads out there for some life insurance programs that imply it's covered, but it's for what the government doesn't cover. So it's purchasing insurance. It's a very similar concept. So you and I talking, except this is clear what it is. They try to make it appear that it's going to be discounted or free, so you get on the phone, but it's just buying life insurance. It's the same process we're going through now. Yeah. So unfortunately, no different.
But I've read the actual thing on the Army, and when I was in there, I was a survival assistance NCO, which is basically helping a widow that her husband died that was a soldier. And you help her for 30 days to make sure she gets all those entitlements and stuff that she's supposed to get. And she got the casket, but she had to pay the $300. No, they gave her $300. All she got was $300. And I don't know if that was for the vault, but she did get a casket. The $300, I think she had to pay for the vault. I don't know.
Well, last time I've seen the official stuff, if I'm looking on the internet at what the VA allows, it's crazy. They'll pay up to $2,000 for burial expenses if it was a service-connected death. And if it's a non-service death, they pay $978. Yeah. So that's about it. Now,
I mean, that's a long
you can certainly get you can certainly get buried in a cemetery, and it'll include the grave site, and or a headstone. But that's if you get put in a VA national cemetery.
Well, the way they talk on this thing, I was just telling you about is they pay for the burial plot, the whole free. Yeah, I say free, but
it means free. Yeah, it means typically free for the beneficiary because they get an insurance check. It's typically how they word it. So, yeah. So yeah,
this money that we're talking about would go to my wife, and she could do with it to pay for the funeral arrangements and all that stuff.
Yeah, and if
the way she needs to herself.
Correct. She can do whatever she wants with the check. She'll get a check, and to be honest, she could go to the gas station and buy lottery tickets with it if she wants. So, but yeah, everything is
be the easiest thing.
That's true. That's true. Cool. Let me finish up on my end. Unless you got any more questions. Anything else? No. All right.
Maybe I'll think of something while we're gone.
All right. Let me finish up on my end, and I'll give you a call back in a little bit. Okay.
All right, man.
All right. See you, buddy. See you. Hi. How do I get this? Let's see. What do I do? Hey, what's up, Baba Sean?
Hi.
Hey, question for you. What do you have going on with your kidney history? Any kidney stuff?
Do what?
You got something going on with your kidney?
No, they just checking it because it was a little high one time, or whatever you want to call it.
God, did they give you a medicine or something? I think they prescribed you something once.
They may have given me medicine for a while. I don't know if I'm still taking it.
Yeah. I can see it here. I can. It popped up of kidney medicine, which is okay. It makes a small tweak to it. I'm gonna give you a couple options. So I got you. I got you 2 approval options. Let's see. We can go. They're relatively the same price. One has a little bit better benefits. If you do, so this one, I can get you approved. I can get you approved with immediate coverage. It is a level 2 instead of a level 1 because of the kidney. So a touch more monthly. So I'm gonna tell you the 10 grand because I don't think you should do the more expensive one. There's 2 companies. It takes the 10 grand up to 187. The second company, I can get it down to 166.
For which one?
For the 10,000. 10,000. Yep, because you have a kidney disease on there as well. Most companies will decline you outright. So I got two that will give you immediate coverage. So I would pick an amount that is comfortable monthly and lock it in before they tell you no.
I ain't saying I got no kidney.
They gave you a medication for it. So it may not be outright, but when they got you on the med, it's on your prescription history, unfortunately. So
Yeah, but when you take medicine, it don't last. You don't take it forever.
yeah, no, it's just because it's treated in a certain amount of time frame. That's all. But most would get declined. So they see that you're not out of control with it. So you ain't getting any younger, and you're probably not going to be on less meds in a year or two. And I can give you a little bit lower coverage amount. I know you wanted a little bit more, but now we're in a situation where you got zero right now, and she's gonna have to pay a bunch to bury you. So I guess monthly, what's a budget amount monthly? If you tell me where you'd rather be monthly, I can tell you how much coverage that'll buy you. Like if you say, I don't know, make it $140 or pick a number, I can tell you what that'll be if you'd like to.
120 would be as long as I want to go, as long as I'd like to go.
You said 120 a month?
Oh,
the 20 grand. I meant on your monthly bill. Are you gonna be okay paying that monthly bill? I want to make sure I want to make sure it's comfortable.
Willing to pay 150 to I covered.
Okay.
Maybe, you know.
Yeah. I mean, I could. Let's see what 15, because I just want to make sure she doesn't walk out of here with, that's gonna be a little up there.
That medicine they say.
It won't tell me that. Yeah, it doesn't. They don't give me the name, but it says let's see chronic. Let's see. Yeah, it's actually on it's not even just the prescription. So when you go to the doctor and you leave and you fill out that paperwork, they give you that little paperwork at the end where they put all those codes on them. On that piece of paper, one of your doctors put chronic, and I have this too, to be clear. I'm 48 and I have this on my record. But on your record, they have it listed as there's a code B.3, which is chronic kidney disease, but you don't have kidney failure. Kidney failure would give you no insurance. Kidney disease is just saying it doesn't function at 100%, perfect capacity, but it's under control. So they'll allow you some coverage. You just don't qualify for preferred coverage.
Well, I'm going to see him next week.
Yeah.
I'm going to the lab for a blood test this afternoon.
Huh?
I've just been going every 6 months to him because he wanted me to follow up.
Yep.
It's on the yearly.
Normally, to get it off your record. So what I recommend to some clients that are in this situation is to get coverage in place so you have something in the meantime. And then if you go 12 months without any treatment or a new diagnosis with it, then you can reassess and potentially get either a lower price or more insurance for the money.
I ain't got no kidneys.
Yeah. I agree. I agree. I think you should.
Tell me it's gonna cost me. Well, if I get no damn insurance.
Yeah, doctors mess people up, man. Now, fortunately for you, it's not a decline. So my recommendation, obviously, you do what you want. I would put at least something in place. That way, while you're working on it with the doctor, get him to remove it, because that's going to take a while for him to remove it from records and do all the stuff. But my suggestion is pick something that makes sense now. Then we work on the kidney thing with the doctor. If he can remove it, show it's changed after a few months, we can apply for a better price for sure.
I'll let those things you sign. You don't know what.
Well, yeah, the signing was just pulling your history. So that's all I've done is pull your history and more than, yeah. And I know it's frustrating, Bob. So nope. That's.
But they can check what they want. So
yeah. So what they mean by exam is they don't take fresh blood like they're about to tomorrow, right? So every time you go to the doctor, those results are put on a record. So they don't have to do a new exam, but they check your past ones. Now, if you wait and you go get a new exam, anything on future exams, they'll also be able to see. So if things go sideways or your blood pressure's high or something's off in the future, those go on the record for them to see as well. So you just got to be careful with having no insurance. You know?
Well, see, my VA doctor,
Mhm.
he put me on that medicine that you're talking about, I assume, because he is the only one.
Yeah.
Just changed any of my medicine.
Yep.
The VA doctor said my kidneys was okay.
Yep. I deal with the same
Doctor
issue.
said it was a little high.
Got it. Got it.
So, anyway, he wanted me to take it for just a while, to see what it did.
Yep.
It did what it's doing right now.
Yep. I understand.
You know, it ain't your fault. I ain't getting on me.
I know. I know. I deal with this every day. It's frustrating. It is. At the end, though, we want to make sure you want to take care of Bonnie, correct?
Right. That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah. So let's.
Anyway, what are you suggesting so I can let you get back to work?
Yeah, I mean, my suggestion is you get something in place at an amount. I know it's more than you wanted, but I would get something in place so you have the coverage because I can get you a policy. I can have you covered here in 5 minutes. I have a policy number already. So I have your policy number here. You just have to pick an amount. And whatever amount you start with will get in place. You'll get a policy in the mail. It'll be covered. That way, while you're messing with these doctors, I don't want you to have a heart attack over it and have no coverage.
Right.
So my suggestion is let's figure out what you're comfortable paying monthly. So Bonnie doesn't have to pay 10, 15 grand when you pass. I put in a number that's somewhere in the middle because I want to keep you under $200. I don't want you really over that right now. If I put in it at 12,000, it puts it at 199, and that'll get you immediate coverage. So it's kind of somewhere in the middle, a little bit more than the 10,000, but less than the price they came back at. It's kind of a middle range. If you can afford 199, I would suggest you start there, and then we reassess in like 6 months.
The 199 for 12,000.
Yep.
Damn. And I can up at any time.
Yeah, as long as you don't go have a heart attack on me.
As long as I get rid of that medicine or whatever.
Yeah, now you get rid of that medicine, we can get you a better price also, and up the coverage.
Yeah. How long does that take?
It depends on the doctor. You'll have to talk to the doctor when you go next, and then let's assess it. It's gonna take a couple months. It's not gonna happen next week. I know that.
Can I get a statement from him or something?
Yep. I can.
Think he'll give me is there such a thing?
There is. Yeah, there's actually what they call a medical information bureau. That's where I pull the information from. That's where he reports it, and that's where I pull it from. It's kind of like a credit report for your health. And
so I go to the VA doctor every 6 months. Of course, they take blood and they do all this good stuff.
Yep.
And his reading, I mean, I could send you a copy of his
reading. That's good.
Their readings. They've been doing it for years.
Yep.
And he said my kidneys just
all this time. Here's what I do know because I deal with this as well. I've had a kidney issue for about 8 years. I go every 6 months to the nephrologist, and if I don't drink enough water leading up to my labs, if I'm a little dehydrated, my kidney results come back worse.
Yeah.
So when I go, my doctor tells me to overhydrate, drink a ton of water. I have to pee my pants, it feels like. But when I drink a bunch of water, my results come out better.
Well, that's me too. I've been dehydrated.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, so I would say next time overhydrate, talk to the VA about the medication on there, see if they can remove it, and then again we'll reassess. It'll probably take a few months though, but I don't mind helping you with it. It's going to take a minute though. So, where's your thoughts on this one? Do you want to start and kind of wing the 199 to begin so she has some coverage?
Yeah. If you got anything else besides that?
I mean, I can drop it to 10 grand.
And what would the 15 be?
Yeah, I can. Let's see. Let me go 15,000. Hold on. It'll be just over 200 bucks. Let's see if I did.
Over 200.
Yeah, just a little over. Well, a bit over. 247. So 247 or 199.
Yeah, I'll go with the 199.
I like it. A smart move. Let's 12,000. All right, you got a pen there. I'm gonna give you this policy number.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, give me 1 sec. I'm just gonna need your payment information in just a minute. Do you have your routing and account number handy?
Do I have what?
Your routing and account number from your bank. They'll set up like an electronic check payment.
Well, hold on, my volume's going down here.
Mm-hmm.
Now I got you. I got it wide open now.
Okay. You wanna pay this out of a checking or a savings?
Can I pay it out of a debit card?
Does it come out of it comes out of a bank account, right?
It comes out of the bank, local bank account.
Yeah, you can use the local bank account, but they require, instead of your credit card number, they use your routing and account number. It doesn't work with the card number because that card expires, so they use the routing and account number instead. Who do you bank with there?
It's out in my book.
Okay.
I have to go get it.
Yeah, go for it. I'll hang tight.
All right. Put my shoes on.
No worries. It's okay. Same life, telesales. Holy guacamole.
I reckon I can't do it right now.
Where'd you get to find the truck keys later? You got in the truck?
I mean, she'll be home in a little while.
Okay. Okay. What time should be home?
I don't know. She's gone to, you know how when
You go to buy some more stuff?
she had an appointment and then she had got back home. So I said,
Okay. Do you know how to save my number in your phone? Or no idea?
save your number?
Yeah, do you know how?
Well, I can just write it down and I'll recognize the numbers.
Yeah. I'm gonna have you write.
You sent me a message a while back.
I did.
I can't get your number. Okay.
Yeah.
I just saw it when I
You did.
went to trying to find that message that you sent.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, if you can't get in, I can call you in a little while. Or if you want to call me when she gets home, either way. I got a couple more clients to call, so I'll take care of them.
Put your number down.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Go ahead.
It's 6678. You got it there?
Okay.
All right.
I got it.
All right, buddy.
First name is what?
John. My name is John. My name is John.
John.
Yep. And I got your routing number. I can pull that out of the system. So when you find your check, I just need the second part of that and just give me a shout back. I got 2 more clients to call, but I'll be around for a few more hours. So just give me a shout when you find it. Okay.
All right, man.
All right. I'll talk to you in a few.
Thanks.
See you, buddy.
All right, bye.
Bye. See if we can hear that. For those of you that have followed me for a while, you know I've helped build this agency up to over $200 million in paid annual premium per year. We have over 5,000 agents a year that sell, and I am rebuilding. We're building a new base shop, helping people build big agencies, get to multi 7 figures in income, or producers that want to just sell and get to a multi 6 figure sales career. Hit me up. I'm hiring direct. I'm looking to train and mentor winners that want to work their ass off and build something dope. Click on the link below, or you can go to johnwetmore.com/join and put in your application. We'll see if I'd be interested in working with you. DM me, hit me up, whatever you like.
I'm sorry, the person you were trying to reach has a voicemail box that has not been set up yet. Hello?
Hey, what's up, Miss Judy? This is John giving you guys a call with the insurance. How are you?
Don't have to cancel today. We can do it anytime after the 15th. I didn't think about I'm working on taxes. The 24, not 25.
Oh, got it.
You can understand. I didn't even think about that when we made the appointment for today.
That's all right.
Just do it after the 15th.
Okay. You don't want to start paying till the 15th, or you want to chat after the 15th?
Now this is the VA insurance, right?
Yep.
Okay. No, I don't want to talk about it till after the 15th. I've got to get this tax.
Yeah, I got it. Makes sense. I was just confirming. Give me 1 sec. Let me pull up my 15th is next week. So I got you down, let's see, next Thursday or Friday. Okay, I can put you down. I'm gonna put you down. I'm gonna put you down for next Thursday. How about that? And then I'll call you a day or two before to confirm though, if you're gonna be around. Mm-hmm.
Be in the afternoon, say 3 o'clock
Okay.
or 4.
Yeah, I'll put you down at 4 p.m. Eastern on the 16th. And I'll call you probably Tuesday, probably Tuesday to confirm that it still works for my schedule and all that, okay? All right, I'll talk to you guys then. You're welcome.
Hey, this is Daniel. Leave me a number and a message, and I'll call you back.
Hey, what's up, Daniel? John over with the insurance for the truckers. Give me a shout back when you're free. Oh, brother. What do you think? Think that was gonna fucking call back? Wonder, wonder, wonder. I think I'm gonna get old Bob. Oh, deal with Bob later.
The person you have dialed is not able to receive calls at this time.
Please leave your message for
Hello.
Hey, what's up, police? Hey, it's John over with the insurance. How are you, bud?
How are you?
Good, man. Hey, I just wanted to give you a quick little update. You got a quick minute?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I was just gonna want to let you know. I told you I'd call you by today to let you know what's up. The reason it went back to the underwriter, somehow something you told me cholesterol. You don't have anything with your blood pressure, correct?
Say it again?
Everything with your blood pressure is fully under control, correct?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Okay, cool. Somehow something messed up with your blood pressure, she thought. So she asked the question, and I was like, he doesn't have blood pressure issues. So I let her know today. Somehow that was come up. There was something unclear. So she asked. So I let her know your blood pressure's clear. And so she said, okay, she'll send it back to an underwriter and go back through. That's what the holdup was. So she's going to finish up looking at it and let me know as soon as she's done. Okay. All right, buddy. I'll keep you posted over the next couple days.
Okay.
All right, my friend. See you. Somehow I fucked up and put on the app, it asked, text me, it asked, I'm so stupid, dude. It's a new question. Look at this shit. It's, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, let me see if I can see it. There you go. Are you currently taking your blood pressure medications? It says, are you currently compliant with taking your blood pressure meds? And I fucking put no. It's definitely not a no. So now that's why I went to underwriting. That's why I didn't get fucking approval on the spot. Rookie mistakes. It's not how you sell. So now I make up, send it back, and hope that underwriting believes me. There's got to be no meds, so I'm sure it'll be fine. I hate when I do dumb things. It's been a while since I've had a pickup. It's time. I need to pick up. I need to pick up.
call has been forwarded to voicemail. Your call has been forwarded to an automated. Hello?
Hi, Miss Joanna. Hey, Joanna.
Who is this?
This is John calling you back over at the vet's final expense office. How are you?
From who?
The Veterans Final Expense Burial Office. You had sent us.
I'm not interested, thank you.
This is the one you sent in a request for. Miss Joanna. Oh, Miss Joanna. Oh, Miss Joanna.
Please leave your message for
Wow. This bitch for you.
297.
You're a lucky hat.
Hello.
Hey, Daniel.
Hello.
Hey, Daniel.
I think I called you yesterday. The first time I called, I didn't hear it ring.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yes.
It happens. That's what keeps happening when I call you. This is John. I've been trying to reach you over at the vet benefit office about the burial insurance you inquired about. You put down you were in the Army.
Okay.
You were in the Army before? You hear me?
I didn't hear you.
You-
What did you say?
I said you were in the Army before?
I didn't hear you. What did you say?
Voicemail fucking. Are you messing with me? This is literally someone fucking with me.
Hold on. I have to wait a minute.
You hear me? Or is this a voicemail?
They make this scurvy. Oh, guys, come on.
It's like one of those videos. You hear me, Daniel?
Fuck this the deer on me.
You got me?
Hear you.
I hear
What
you.
did you say?
Are you there? Daniel. I have no idea if this is real or not.
And,
Is this real life?
oh,
This is real. You still there? That's weird as shit. Gonna have to like call him again. I don't. This is weird as the blood one the other day.
hello?
Hey, Daniel. Can you hear me now?
Hello?
You there?
I think I called you yesterday. The first call, I didn't hear it ring.
Motherfucker.
Okay.
This is so good. Fuck.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Gardner,
Yeah.
I didn't hear you. What did you say?
Is this real?
Don't disappear on me.
This is fucking fake. Bruh.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
He's gonna tell me to go put a phone down again soon. This is definitely fake. This is the coolest voicemail
I
I've ever heard.
didn't hear. What did you say? Okay, everything is okay. There's a couple of things, but
It doesn't feel like the same message as last time. I don't know mute.
and all right. I'm gonna write this down. Put the phone down.
I got scammed twice. Good one, Daniel Bishop. Good one, Daniel.
I'm assuming everything because we did try this a couple of weeks ago.
I wonder if it's ever gonna go to voicemail.
Okay, everything is okay. There's a couple of things with
That was a good one. Good play.
Hello?
Hey, Nelson.
Yes.
Hey, man, this is John getting back to you over at the Veterans Final Expense Office. How are you?
How are you doing?
I'm great, man. I was actually just trying to get in touch with you. You had sent in a request to our office a couple weeks ago about the burial coverage for seniors, and you had put down you were in the Army before. Is that correct?
Yes, I did.
Cool. I didn't get if you're a smoker or not, though.
I'm not actually.
Okay, that's good. All right. And I got you put down you want either your child or children to be the beneficiary, correct?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I, I've done my, excuse me, I done I done my, excuse me, my,
The experiences I've had.
I just finished doing that, beneficial,
Beneficiary?
beneficiary stuff last week,
For life insurance?
my life insurance thing
Okay.
last week.
Got it. Do you know did you get some insurance last week?
Yes.
Oh, no way. Got it. Who'd you end up getting it through? Do you know? I don't show that here.
I think it was it was excuse me, Omaha.
Omaha. Okay.
Oh yeah,
Yep. Mutual of Omaha.
Mutual Omaha.
Okay. Got it. How much coverage did you get? Do you know?
We got $20,000.
Okay. Gotcha. How old are you, Nelson?
65.
65. I got it. All right. How much did they charge you for the 20? You remember?
I don't know, but the whole thing, 100, I think, but I had to cancel that
Already?
because
Why?
I have two LUIs and
Oh.
two uh two uh two LUIs and um two life insurance on me.
In addition to the mutual.
To mutual.
Nope.
And I had to cancel that one because I've been paying all that.
So you have like 5 policies.
Yes.
Oh boy.
I've been buying all that.
IULs. Mm-hmm.
I have 2 IULs and I'm keeping the IULs for sure.
Okay.
And I'm keeping it's how long I have the life insurance, but
How long you had those IULs? Long time?
yeah, I have
Good.
those IULs for at least 5 years.
It's good.
And I have I just figured them just going to invest on them.
Yeah.
And you know they're going to pay in on them and just because I have them.
Yeah. How much do those IULs cost you a month?
One for 70 and one for $100. And I'm like, oh, okay.
Got it.
And that's what I was going through. How much do I pay them? And I'm like,
bunch.
all my
All your money goes there. Yeah. How about the other 2 insurance policies? How much are those?
Almost 35, and I'm going. All my money is going out.
Yeah.
And I was like, damn.
Too much. What do you? Yeah, it was too much. I get it. What? Do you know how much coverage you have on those other policies, or do you have no idea?
No idea.
Uh-oh.
Trying to figure them out.
Do you know what company they're with, or no?
They're
different ones.
They're all different ones. True Stage.
Yep.
True Stage and Omaha. So
how long? Okay, the True Stage, is that one of the insurance policies for the 30 or the 35, or is that where you have one of the IULs? Oh wow. Okay. You got some health issues going on, or no? Are you pretty healthy? What do you got?
I do.
Uh-oh. What you got?
I had a 20 year old. 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 20 year old a stroke, and then I had which led to a heart issue.
Got it.
Because I didn't have I found out that I had when they were doing, the doctor said, let's do you had a stress test.
Got it.
I was missing a stress test, and and then they said, "Oh, you got a problem now."
Yeah. When was the stroke?
The stroke was last year.
Got it.
Last February, and then
Of 24 or 25?
24.
Okay.
And then the stress test was 2 months ago. I was like, oh.
Tiba. Okay. Did they tell you have any heart issues like a heart attack or stents you need or anything crazy or not?
I had 2 stents placed.
When
There
was
was two stents placed, or 2 minor,
Mhm.
2 minor,
Yep. 2 minor stints.
2 minor,
When?
2 minor stents placed.
When?
They were in in September.
Just last month.
Yeah,
Got it.
No, August. It was August
Of 25.
25. Yeah.
Okay.
So, before they were very tiny,
Yeah.
but they were placed before they had a problem.
Mhm.
I never had any issues,
Yeah.
but
Okay.
they got me before they got any issues. I was like, okay.
That's good. Have you already canceled the mutual policy that you got? Or you have to cancel it still?
No, I didn't.
You didn't yet? Okay. But you also don't know what you got going on. You don't know who you have or how much coverage you have through the IULs either, correct? Okay. Do you want some help with this, Nelson? Because I don't like that you don't know what's going on. That's not good.
Just going on to take one step at a time.
Yeah. Meaning, if you want, I don't have time to do it now, but if are you around the house tomorrow, Nelson?
No, I'm busy as heck tomorrow.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
When's the next time you're around the house where you got some time? Because I want to make sure you know what you have for insurance. So I want to help you figure this out. When would be a good time where we could take 20 or 30 minutes? Okay. What day do you want me to call you back?
Well, the only way I could have gone is
You still with me, Nelson?
don't tell me how to get
Uh-oh. Fighting with old wifey.
away.
Oh, this is gonna be this poor guy. Come on, Nelson. Fucking poor guy. You still there, Nelson? I'm gonna let him. Fighting with wife in the car. And head to go. Follow up. Definitely following up on that sucker. Holy shit. Poor guy. Let's get that thing organized. Meet all at 5 o'clock.
Yes.
Hey, Omar.
Yeah.
What's up, man? It's John with the insurance. How are you, bud?
Hey, John, what's up?
Oh, good. Now, bad time, or are you good for a few?
It's a good time.
Okay. Dig it. All right. Well, this was for the life insurance for truckers, of course, you applied for. You mind giving me a little rundown of what it is you might be looking for? I'm a broker, and
With you, okay?
say again.
I'm gonna be pure realistic with you. I always have a life insurance and stuff like that, to be secure. I'm a truck driver.
Yeah.
I'm a truck driver.
Mhm.
I'm still working on truck driver.
Okay.
My problem was that I don't think I'm gonna be eligible, but I'm still, talking to last November they diagnosed me with gastric cancer. Thank God, everything is good because that came out of nowhere.
Okay.
I've been going through my treatment. Everything has been doing good. I assume that sooner or later I'm gonna be free.
Okay.
However, I read you guys from the Facebook marketplace.
Yep.
And I said, well, let me call because the life insurance that I have, I've been having them for 5 years, right?
Okay.
And 4 months ago, just because I was away from work and I didn't do one payment, they sent my file to like a disconnect position, but then I can reconnect it back.
Yeah.
But then I gotta go to this person that they sign in, make sure everything is good to underwriter and stuff like that.
Really?
Pioneer Life Insurance.
Who was it through?
Pioneer.
Really? And you missed a payment?
Yeah, I missed that payment.
And they wouldn't let you make it up?
No. They say, oh, you gotta do some healthy check first, but think about it. When I got them for 5 years back, I was okay, and I was paying every month.
When was this? When did you miss the payment?
They're supposed to take the payment automatically every month.
Yeah.
And then the April payment, they didn't took them.
God.
And then they took, and then in May, at the end of May, they call me and they say, oh, you didn't make the payment for April. They send you to a disconnect. You got until November to send us the medical history, whatever. I was like, you know what? No, I don't want business with you guys because it is sucks.
Yeah.
I've been paying close to $100 for close to 5 years every month, and I even lose that money.
Yeah. Shit, that's terrible.
So it is, but
so now you're.
They tell me, oh well, after you have a year without some of them says to me first,
2 years.
they should take you because they you was good before signing in with us.
Yeah.
But then somebody else say, no, this is the process. We're like, personally me, I don't want to have to deal with anything that's been given to me hard time. I really don't.
Yeah.
I don't need it.
Makes sense. Shit, that's terrible. Yeah. How old are you? Are you 40?
I'm 40.
Okay. Got it. Well, how much insurance did you have, the one that got canceled?
Well, it's canceled.
Yeah. Yeah. No. My question before it was canceled, how much coverage did you have? How much life insurance was there?
1,000.
Shit. Got it. And what type of cancer was it again?
It was gastric.
Gastric. Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
And when did you get a surgery, or what'd they do?
Because I went there because I got like a little acid in my stomach. Mm-hmm. And when I went there, they said, oh, you got a gastric cancer. However, they make it 4 stages because it was trying to spread out to the colon. And then they put me on a medical treatment. Like in April, I did a PET scan. It wasn't there. It was just a little bit still, in the wall of my stomach, the gastric wall. But, with the treatment, it's getting better, and then I'm treating myself also. So I feel good. If you don't see me or I don't tell you, you're never going to know.
Okay, that's good.
Thank God I don't have to go to chemo, and I don't have.
You never went to chemo or radiation before? No. Okay, that's good.
It's a medication that through that helps the antibody to fight the cancer.
Yeah, yep.
That's all I'm getting every 21 days.
Got it. And you're on that currently?
Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense. Crazy. Have you tried to apply for life insurance since with another company, or you just kind of give up?
I just give up because, like I said, when you've been paying money for 5 years,
Yeah.
and then you jumping into a situation, and then they acting up like the way that they did, I was like, you know what? Fuck life insurance. Why? I'm just gonna save my money.
Yeah.
Save my money, and it's the same thing.
Yeah, it takes a little longer, but I understand. I understand for sure why you would. And so you haven't. So you're 40 years old. You're a year out. Hold on. Let me pull something up. I wonder if it's never. You said it now. You said that you've been cancer free for more than 3 months. Yes. Let me see if there's any. We work with a couple different companies. I think. Give me one sec. I'm gonna pull up an option here for you. That does suck ass. And unfortunately, it's too late being from April to be able to help you. Sometimes there's options. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
You guys is because everything that you guys say that
Yeah.
if anything happen, you cover this, and that. Fine. If you say it's too late, we wait another time.
Yeah. No, I mean so here's how it works now. I work with clients that have cancer all the time.
Right.
So this is pretty regular, and I hear crazy stories. So here's how it works in life insurance. You mentioned earlier something about waiting a certain period of time, right? I think you said something about waiting a year or two. The way that you can get some insurance, there's a few different companies that take cancer clients. The way they do it, and this is really good for you, given you have a positive outlook on the cancer. You can get a policy that they'll put in place. But what the insurance company wants to make sure of course, is that they didn't tell you you're about to die this year, right? So what they do is they'll give you some coverage, but they just are going to say you can't die from cancer for the first couple years. You can't. We're not willing to cover that. So you got to make it 2 years, right? So they go the first 2 years, dude. We don't. We want to believe you, but we don't. We do, but we don't. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Yeah. So I do this with a lot of clients where we get them the coverage, we put it in place because you don't know what's going to happen in 2 years. Obviously, you got cancer at 40, 39, 40, whatever. So what I do with a lot of clients is we get a policy in place, usually a smaller amount, 25 grand, 50 grand. I mean, you can get 100 if you want, but usually people do 25 to 50, somewhere in that range.
How much is that? You think in case that I sign up for that, whoever I be, I'm gonna be paid?
Yeah, I'll have to pull it up, but it'll be, and the difference is too. Let me explain a little bit more so I can give you a little more clarity. What people do is they'll get 25 to 50 grand, somewhere in that range. And if you get it, let's just pretend you get it today. Or I wait 6 months or a year. If you get it today, that 2 years that they make you wait, that timer starts today. So if you wait 6 months, that timer doesn't start for 6 months. So what I have clients do is start as soon as possible so you can get that timer down, right? You get coverage in place. If something some kind of illness comes back in the next 2 years, they can't take this one away, of course, as long as you keep paying. But once you hit the 2 years, if you died of cancer the next day, it would cover it. And if you died during that 2 years, whoever your beneficiary is, who would you name as your beneficiary? Are you married or anything? Family. Okay. So your family, let's just say you die in 6 months. I know it sucks to hear, but if you do, and instead of, because you didn't make that 2 years, you don't lose the money you paid in. What they do is they take all the money you paid in and they give it to your beneficiary plus interest. So if you don't make it 2 years, your family gets the money just like you were putting it in a savings account. If you do make the 2 years, you get the full insurance just like normal. And then the cool thing is, you and I working together, I work with about 20 different companies. Depending on how it is in 12 months and definitely in 24 months, you can then get a bigger policy for less money as well.
Okay.
So it's kind of a multi-step plan. So you start now with a smaller amount, get it in place, get the 2 years going. We make it 12 months, we look again. We make it 24 months, we look again. And then you can get basically normal insurance. like you've never had cancer. But they want to do a little test run with you first. How would something like that sound?
Well, it sounds good. I just want to know how much I'm going to be paying because, like I said,
Yeah.
it sounds very convincing, but it's things that I got to think about it since I have the last issue.
Yeah, for sure.
Because
Yeah.
like I say, I'm positive and I know I'm okay,
Yep.
and I'm going to remind like that. But hey, you never know.
Yeah. I get it. Yeah, you'd be depending on which company, and I do have some more medical questions to go through. There's some that ask no questions. So I have some insurance companies that are like, we don't want to know anything, just get them coverage. Those cost more. Some are like, all right, we know about that, but we have a few more questions. Let's see what we do. You might could get a little cheaper. But to answer your question, you'll be under $100, but it won't be like 30. Right? So it'll be somewhere under $100, somewhere between probably 70 and 100, somewhere in that range. So if that's something you're open to, we can certainly look at it, try to go through the approval process, get you some type of policy in place, and then you and I just work together over the next couple of years as you clear this thing out.
This is
Mhm.
Then, if you want, put me in a schedule to sign up for that.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to call me back like next Friday.
Okay. Because of money?
Because of money.
Yeah. So here's what we can do. How about I give you a better option? I like your option, but I'll give you a better one. We can set it all up before. Is that when you get paid next Friday?
Next Friday.
Yeah. So you can set everything up. We can go through the process, get you an approval, and then we can tell the insurance company, don't start it till next Friday. Because you don't have to pay me. You pay them. But I tell them when you pay. The only downside of it is your 2-year timer won't start till that day. So whatever day you pay, that's where the timer starts. Does that make sense?
Okay.
You good with that?
Yeah.
Okay. You got some time now, or do you want to go through it? How much time do you got? You got like 15 minutes now?
Yeah, I got 15 minutes.
Okay. Let's go through it. Let me pull up an option for you. Let me see what I can get you. Hang tight 1 sec. Let's see. I think I can do this one. Let me put in all of your contact info. Oops. Hold on a sec. Let's get you covered. And now, do you use a regular local bank account, checking, savings, something normal, I assume?
So I want to do the next Friday because I have a business, right?
Yep.
And I have to certify everything back on next week, meaning that the bank is gonna have to send me new information, that stuff, and that was why.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have, and this is, again, it's not, I don't care how we do it. I need certain information to start it. Do you have in the meantime, so this company that covers, they let you pay with either a routing and account number or a card number, credit card, debit card, whatever.
I can give you one of my debit cards.
Okay. So we can put it on file for next Friday.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's do that then. Let me grab your email. Let's see. Did you give me an email? Do you use this email? Is that your email?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And then this is your cell number, right?
Yes.
New application, general. All right. And are you in North Carolina, or did I make that up? Right. Let me just go through these medical pieces with you. And then let me confirm your home address, please. Right. And tell me your date of birth. You said Friday the 17th, right?
Yes.
Perfect. All right. You've never had, a few medical questions. I think I know the answers, but they make me read them to you because it's on a recorded line.
Okay.
Never had any issues with HIV, bipolar, Alzheimer's, or dementia. Never oxygen for breathing. All right. Let's see. Let's see. In the last 5 years, have you been diagnosed for cancer? Yes. It was not, you said it was stomach cancer. So yes there. All right. No kidney diseases, no heart issues.
No.
You said no there. You're a driver, so no DUIs or anything, I assume. And you said no tobacco, right? No life insurance. Perfect. All right. Are you good if I send you a text on this number?
Yeah.
Okay, it's going to send you a link with a code. There's going to be a link on there. I'm going to give you a code. You just got to go on, and this is going to have you sign just on the phone with your finger. That's going to let me pull your medical stuff in the background to verify, obviously, the cancer and stuff as part of the process. So you should have a text with a link. Let me know if you see that. This is going to be signing electronically to apply.
What's the application code?
That's for you to apply for the coverage. Yep, I see you. All right, that worked. Yeah, so just go through. You got a few things to sign. It'll pop up on my screen when you're done.
That's it.
Oh, yep, here it goes. I see it. Alrighty, let's see it there. Gotcha. Now, beneficiary. Who do you want to be the main beneficiary? Different screen I'm on. Tell me your address again. I apologize. I can't see the previous screen. All right, that worked. Yeah. 25K, 93 bucks. They'll cover it with that waiting period, no problem, it says. You want to use they said it is the 25 grand, 93 bucks. They'll cover it on that plan we just said. I just got the okay.
Okay.
Yep, so that's good to go. You said you want to use a card?
Yeah,
Okay.
and I want to start remember the date.
Yep, I got it on the 17th.
And then my question for you is, you say after 2 years, it will get back to normal, right?
It'll be like, yep, it'll pay out in full the day you hit 2 years.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready for you. All right, I got policy to begin on 10/17. Today, perfect. 1 sec. All right, do you have a pen and paper handy, or do you want me to text this to you? I have a policy number for you now.
Yeah, just text it to me because I'm driving.
Okay, cool. All right, I got your policy number now. It's through what they call, the name of the company is Combined Insurance. I'm sure you've heard of it. It's a huge company.
Send me a package.
Yeah, 100%. Yep. So what'll happen? They won't even begin the process till the 17th. All right. So you're waiting to pay. They're going to wait to do the paperwork till you pay. So right now I'm going to send you a screenshot of the policy number. It'll go into effect the 17th. That's when they run the first payment. Sometimes you don't see the first payment for a couple days because the electronic and the banks and it's a weekend. So don't be shocked. And then on that day, they start to print your policy and put it in the mail. So you'll probably get it about 2 weeks after. So late October, early November. In the meantime, this is my cell number. So if you need anything in the meantime or along the way, you're more than welcome to check in or follow up or call me if you have any questions.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yep. All right, buddy. You are all good to go. Feel good about what you did? Everything good?
Everything good.
Perfect. All right, I got you down. I will shoot you a text here in a couple minutes with your new policy number. And if you need me in the meantime, just let me know. Okay, buddy?
Okay.
My friend.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Bye-bye.
See you. Easy work. Combined. What do I do? How much? 25K. What's the amount? Application.
Oh, that was real smooth.
Thanks, brother. I might not know where the fucking buttons are, but I do know how to work with clients. Yeah, buddy. I got about another one about to lock in hopefully here in a minute too.
Push it out 7 days.
Huh?
Her only objection was really she didn't have the money that day, so you just push it out 7 days, right?
Yeah, that was easy. Yeah. I mean, at first, did you hear the very beginning of the call or no?
Yeah, I heard the beginning.
Yeah, dude, he was foul as shit because his other company canceled him. You heard that?
Yeah.
Dude, I did not think it was going to go that smoothly, to be honest. I thought he was like, yeah, but he just kept staying on and I'd calm him down a little bit. It was good.
Yeah, that was actually great.
Easy cheesy, bro. Easy. I always say easy game. You know how to play.
What kind of lead was that? Was that like mortgage protection or just life?
This was I have a guy running a campaign for me. I actually just turned off. I'm going to try a different one. I'm testing all kinds of shit. That particular lead was a Facebook generated lead that targets truckers. So it was a trucker lead, specifically a trucker. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So let's see. Life. Work. Dude, what's crazy is I didn't have someone pick up the phone. Can you still hear me? I don't know if I'm talking to myself. I'm not looking.
I hear you.
I did not have someone pick up the phone for 1,500. That was 130 dials. Not one fucking answer.
Damn.
Yep. And that guy,
All trucker leads?
$1,000. Now all kinds of shit. I got some vet leads over here. Mostly vet leads, to be honest. I'm mostly working vet final expense. That's probably fucking 90% of the lead flow I got. 80, 85, 90% of the lead flow I got. Probably 10% of it. No, it's probably a little bit less. I've probably got 150 final expense vet leads so far. I've probably got about 50 trucker leads, and I've probably got like 5 or 10 mortgage leads so far.
Okay.
Yeah, just over whatever, 3 weeks. So whatever that is.
Did she say 25,000 or 50,000? What she end up wanting?
That was 25.
25.
Yeah.
So what's the annual
1,100
on that? Okay, that's not bad.
No, I'll take that shit all day.
Yeah.
All day, bro. Let's see if I can get Bob to pay me. You probably didn't hear this one. I was on this one before him.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, Bob? It's John. How are you, bud?
You got it?
You figure it all out?
No.
Not yet?
I think she just now come in the house.
Oh, okay. Got it. I just had a minute between. I just hung up with a client, so I thought I'd check with you. You want to check with her and call me back? Or do you want me to hold on, or you want me to call you back in a little while?
You call you back about 4 or 5 minutes you want to.
Yeah, I'm actually about to drive to the house. I'm leaving my office. I'm going to drive to the house. I'll be at the house in like 20 minutes. So I'll call you in about 30, okay?
Okay, bud.
All right, buddy. Call you soon. That's a guy I did the entire fucking app at. It's $199 a month. And his checkbook is in his wife's car, and she left, and it's locked.
Damn.
I swear. But I've talked to him like 4 times today, so I feel like I might get it. I don't know. We'll see.
Can if he has his routing and his checking account number, can he still do the deal?
Yeah. He doesn't know I can look up his routing. He doesn't know his account number. He has a card with him, but I'm right in America, they won't take a card. And then he doesn't know his account number. So
damn.
Yeah, he was like trying to get in the house and find the key. Yeah, I have the whole thing on video. It's hilarious. He's like, my wife has shit everywhere. She has so much shit, I can't find the keys.
Oh, and then at $199 a month was that
$2,500.
Damn, so you smacked him for about 3,000 a day.
Yeah, today. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
I'm at 5 something for the week, almost 5 or 6 grand for the week already before that. So that'll put me over 10.
Yeah, that's good.
It'll be close. I'll be another 2,500, 3,500, 3,600. I'll be probably a crack under 10. If you're in the insurance space and trying to build an agency, or you're trying to like break records in sales, just hit new levels, new heights, click the link below to apply to my consulting and coaching program that I have out there. I'm helping tons of people get to new levels, get to new income heights, help them build their teams, put systems in place, staffing stuff, recruiting processes, automations, and just teaching people how to get to a point where they're selling on their own pen, 30, 40, 50 grand a month. And if they're building a team, teaching how to have an effective structure to your insurance agency for the most profitability you can. There is an application process. I'm only looking to work with like high-end people who really want to make big things happen. A couple recent clients that we've had in the coaching program. One dude as an individual went from selling like 8 grand a month, barely getting by, about to quit the industry, found the book, hit me up direct, started a coaching program, went to 35K his first month, has issued like 150K in the last 90 days, and has changed the trajectory of his career. Working with another agency builder, very first month went from doing like 800 grand a month to almost 1.1 million. We added like 10 or 15% production in 30 days and continue to work on things there. So if you're interested, click the link, apply, and if you're a fit, I'll reach out. Hi, Bob. Let's see if now's the time, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Hey.
All right. Sorry. Took me a couple extra minutes to get home. A little traffic.
Checkbook, but my wife talked about it.
Okay.
And she don't seem we think that we don't need to mess with it. That we just put 200 back a month for 6 months when we got the same time.
How much you gonna have in the bank if you put 200 for 6 months? You have to
whatever. 200 times.
Yep. She'll get
12 months, whatever it is.
Yeah, she'll get $2,000 then. So what the insurance is for is to make sure if you drop dead long before you save 12,000, and as you start to build the cash, if it goes past, say it's 2, 3, 4, 5 years, you actually build additional cash value. So you don't lose the money. The money will go to her, whether it's in savings or it's in an insurance account. However, if she dies before you save the 12,000, which will take years and years, obviously, she gets the full amount. So you don't lose having insurance. You either have cash and savings or you have cash and insurance. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you have a policy, she'll have the money regardless of savings or not. Does that make sense? Because if she passes away before you have that, then we go back to someone's got to pay for the funeral. And y'all are 78 years old and don't have the money saved for that piece yet.
Well, I've been on my tablet.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a smartphone, so I have to use a tablet to look at anything. But there's been several ads. Now there's another.
Yeah, there's lots of ads.
Your ad too.
Did you?
A whole lot of insurance. That's yours, right?
I'm a broker. I've been doing this 14, 15 years, and I help clients all across the country, and I work with about 25 different insurance companies. So if there's a product out there, I sell it. And at your age and at your health, if I could get you $1 million, but you are 78, bud. So I love you, but I'm taught to be honest with people. It's gonna be a long time before you can save 12 grand. And your age, you're coming up fast on the end, brother. So I know that usually.
Like some of my buddies biting the bullet, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. So we got to think, if you bite the bullet in 3 months or 6 months or 9 months or 12 months or 18 months, she ain't going to have the money for the funeral.
What really gives me the bud is this kidney thing. Okay, what do you need from me?
Just your routing and account number is it. I have the routing number. I can confirm it. I think I have the right one.
Okay, this account on the check. You ready?
Yep. That worked. Got that. I've known Bob since today. Did Bob approach you? Yes, he did. He wants burial. No. All right, almost done. Let's go, Bob. Yeah, sure. All right, buddy. I got you final approval. It's underwriting approved as applied. Your actual policy is in place right now. So you're covered immediately. That is your policy number, 12 grand. And then in the meantime, don't forget, after you speak to your doctor, and let me know kind of how that kidney stuff works out, just give me a call so I can kind of help you with this over the next 6 months if he thinks there's an option.
If that, I don't want to tee him off too bad. He'll have a feel something.
Hey, well, here's what we got, Bob.
If I to just leave it like it is, that's all right.
Yeah, you don't have to touch anything. You're covered and they can't take this policy away now. So even if he does put something else on there, you're good to go. So as long as you don't miss it.
I will ask him a couple questions.
Sure. Yeah, I would definitely inquire. The way this will work now, Bob, is just like every other insurance you have, your homeowners, your car insurance, whatever. They're going to mail you a package in the mail. You're going to see an envelope from the insurance company. Write this one down. It's called America, just like America, spelled just like America, but it ends with an O. So America Insurance Company, they're great for seniors. You'll get your policy in the mail in about 2 to 3 weeks. If for some reason the mailman loses it, just call me because you have my number. Now, if you call me, Bob, and I don't pick up, just make sure you leave me a voicemail, okay? Because if I don't hear a voicemail, I see so many calls, I might not see it. But if you send me a voicemail, I'll call you back every day. All right.
You remember doing that?
Any questions for me? Because right now you're good to go. Coverage in place. Bonnie's the beneficiary, and she'll be taken care of. And if anything should happen to you, of course, my job is to make sure she
This is
gets
for
paid.
it's for the insurance. So it's like
covers
your
Got it, buddy.
house.
Just tell me like it is.
You're very welcome. That's my job, Bob. If you
All right.
need anything, don't forget me. Make sure you call me if you need me. Okay.
You did with
John, you don't forget me neither.
I will not. I will not.
Yeah, I enjoyed talking to you.
Same to you, Bob. Have a great night. Okay.
Take care.
You too, bud.
Bye-bye.
See you. It's cheesy.
Monkey hat.
It is.
Right?
I put it on when I went like $200 without anyone picking up, and then I put this on and I started selling. Oh, it's my lucky fucking hat now.
Is it?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not.
Hey, James.
Yeah,
Hey, bud. It's John over at the Vet Benefit Center. How are you tonight?
doing fine, thank you.
Good. I was actually just giving you a call back. You had requested some info on the burial and final expenses for vets, and you listed you were in the Army before, correct?
Yeah,
Okay, good deal. Well, my job is to get you all the information on the program, and I have to schedule like a 10-minute call with you. Wanted to see what your schedule's like. Are you normally available in the morning or afternoons?
my schedule is very flexible.
Very flexible. Okay. Got it. Let's see. Do you get up pretty early or you sleep in?
I sleep late,
What's late?
8:39.
Okay, cool. How about tomorrow about 10:30? Hey, James.
Oh, well, this is not, I don't know what's going on there. Okay. Oh, my goodness, I already got it. Oh, 200. I'm afraid to that channel.
Let's see. If you heard him, some guy come out to the house at 9:30 in the morning. When I said 10:30, but I think he is in another state. He didn't know. Let me see, where is he? Did I fuck up time zone? I think I did. Oh no, he's in Tennessee. But somehow he was under the assumption I had to come out, so I did not do a good job letting him know this was just going to be a phone call. Okay, let's fix that.
Hello?
Hey, Howard. Howard.
Hello?
Hey, Howard.
Yeah.
Hey, bud. This is John calling you back over at the Veterans Benefit Office. How are you today?
Hello?
Over at the Veterans Benefit Office, you had sent in a request to us about some insurance for veterans. Put down you were in the Army.
No, I ain't. I tell you what, I get 3 or 4 phone calls every day about that. I got insurance. That's all taken care of. My son's got policies and everything.
I'm good, buddy.
Y'all keep wasting your time. Hello?
Hey, Larry.
Yeah.
Hey, man, this is John getting back to you over at the Veterans Benefit Office. How are you tonight?
I'm doing fine.
Good.
I mean, they keep calling, but I don't know what I've done.
I can tell.
What benefit?
Maybe you messed up. I don't know. I'm kidding. You were inquiring online about some life insurance and burial coverage for veterans. And you put down you were in the Navy.
Look at you, veterans benefits, and I clicked on it, but I don't need any life insurance or funeral and them things paid for.
Got it. You already got it covered. So this is a program to cover anything on top of whatever you got taken care of. This is a separate.
We don't need any more.
Got it. All right, buddy.
Yep.
Out.